our Mr. Hawkins roof at 770 Deerwood. We're going to be performing a repair ability assessment here. We're going to start by breaking the seals. We got everything numbered. This is the shingle we're removing. We're going to break it gently to try to avoid mat transfer and tearing. Okay, so it's tore right there. I'm going to try to salvage it from back here, but it is sealed pretty tight. Let's see. Damn it, this thing's going to call the cops on me. Just watch. Okay, that is tight right there, dude. Okay, let's go. Okay. That did it. That did the trick. So we got one failure here so far. Okay, we got that one. Last but. Okay, so we're gonna get that. Got it back there. That's 2 shingles down. We're going to start by removing the shingles once I get all these broken. And removing the nails. Okay, and slice it a little bit. I don't like to pull up, but these are sealed so tight we have to pop it a little bit. Oh, beautiful. Got it. Okay. We follow certain teeth repair guidelines. Oh, that just tore literally from that. So we follow certain teeth guidelines of pulling the shingle up, pushing it down, and then gently pulling the nail out, like so. Try to do it as carefully as possible. That's the most failures I've ever had with the seals. All right. Alright, so far they're coming out, besides the 15 failures. But we're going to finish this thing to get a proper idea of whether Mr. Hawkins' roof is repairable or not. That one pulled through. Okay. That one did too, dang. Tight freaking shingle right there. I can barely move it without it cracking. Okay. Shink. Can't let the nails roll down and bust someone's foot up. Oh my God, you see that? That is the most brittle shingle. So luckily this is one I'm removing, but I mean, you see the kind of complications we're gonna run into. That is crazy. Wow, this shingle looked to be much more pliable than it is. That one pulled through. Failure City over here. So we got that out, and I'll show another tear that just happened. Right here. We're gonna have to tarp this when we leave, because I can tell you right now, this thing's not gonna be waterproofed. One more in here. Okay. Camco down. We're gonna send this off to NTS, so we need to keep this in good shape. But I want to show this stuff. This is more than just your typical mat transfer. You have a tear here. That is more than your typical mat transfer there, buddy. It's absolute chunks. If you look at that. And then this is where it popped through, but tons of chunks. And then we gotta try to get the rest of these out. Okay, there's one. Can you see that shingle? I can't see the other ones. I'm going to try to get this in. Hopefully, I'm going to do pictures. We take during, before, and after pictures. So this is after the shingle's removed. We got extreme failure here, extreme failure here, extreme failure here, failure here. And then we have another rip. Well,
to your left.
It's right here too. It completely tore off.
Right there by your hand.
Just trying to show how split that is.
Yeah.
Kind of like a wasp is about to get on me. Okay. We'll do some granule retention. This brush. Control area. Oh, I meant to do this before, but nothing. Not too bad, but we haven't started replacing the shingle yet. We'll see what happens. Let me see that. Oh, I'll grab it. Yeah. The shingle in. See if we can't finish this bad boy out. It's a nice fit without all these failures. All right. Got a regular roofing hatchet. So this is the nail. I'll show how we have to pick this up. Now this one's torn, so we'll be able to get it up, but that's where we're gonna hold it at. Luckily that one's torn, it gave us easier shot at it. Yeah, nails ain't great once the shingle rips to death. Man, done a ton of these this week and I've not had one fail like this. Oh my goodness. Holy shiitake. Holy crap. Tightest sock I've ever done. Oh, it's tearing. We probably should have stopped this one midway to avoid all this, but we're going to tarp it before we go today. Normally I would stop when it's failing this bad, but... not good, buddy. I'm going a little below the nail line, but because this thing's so tight, I don't want to pick it up all the way. And here I have to go above that mat transfer, but still be in the nail pattern. Okay, come look at the mat transfer. I guess you can zoom in from over there, maybe. This one. Look right here. Smoked. So you see that? Huge chunks. And that's why it's tearing as well. So we're gonna look at the granular retention if you want to get the overview on that. Oh man, I mean that's usually it's I have to count up failures, but that's insane. So right here you don't have as much, but we were lucky where this seamed at, it made it easier to pull up. Now of course it's torn to hell and back. If it wasn't torn like this, I'm sure it'd have problems. So you come across here, granules coming out, and a cracked mat across the back. You can see it's cracked here, cracked coming down here, let alone all the tears. And again, this tore as well. It's minor compared to what it would have been if it didn't tear here, because we're able to pull it more. But tons of cracking, increasing. It'll take some days in the weather, but you can see right here, my chalk's over it, but it's creased and cracked all the way down here, along with this. So this is a fail. We're gonna stop right there and send this in for review.